A very warm good morning and namaskar to the respected coordinator sir, teachers, brothers, sisters and all my dear friends present here. I am Naima Rai, currently studying in grade 10A1 and today I am here in front of you to deliver a short speech on the topic of importance of technology. So technology has changed the world in many ways. It makes our life and work easier, faster and more connected with the internet and the mobile phones. We can talk to people everywhere in the world anytime with the help of technology. Learning has become more exciting too. Computers and mobile phones help us to learn in new ways like watching videos and playing educational games. Entertainment has also been transferred. We can watch video and we can play games, we can listen to music, whatever we want. And in healthcare also, technology helps the doctor to find out better treatment for their patients to track out of their health. Thank you.